girls, it's City the Farmer. So in this week's vlog, I'm going to be showing you how we water the plants using the bucket system, in case some of you don't have sprinklers or an irrigation system, because using a hose pipe can be a bit heavy for your seedlings in the beginning. So join me for the week, and guys, we finished the farmhouse for the chickens, so let's go. Guys, my spinach is spinaching. Like, it's so pretty. So guys, we continued with the chicken house on Monday. We welded the poles. We also put the roof as well, so you'll be seeing that. Yeah, enjoy. I'm going to show you guys inside. Let's go. Come. So we did use a fence this side and on top, and then also the gate has like a surfing net on it so that they don't jump. It's so naughty. So yeah guys, this is for the hard body chickens. The ones for the layers, we're still building it. So yeah, that's the progress, guys. So guys, for the water bucket system, you will need your large drums of buckets, and then you will need an old bucket that you can poke holes through at the bottom, and then this is the result it should give you as you water your vegetables. So enjoy seeing us water our plants. Yeah guys. Do you see like all of these things? Yeah, we're gonna have to like